Hello and welcome. As every week, let's explore together chunks of Scottish history. Welcome to Kinross. Kinross' origins are connected with the nearby Loch Leven and its islands, whose history goes back to the 5th century. A charming and bustling town of narrow streets and old buildings. The name Kinross means the head of the point and relates to the original location of its church overlooking Loch Leven. This beautiful little town welcomes you with the many events happening here. Locals will cheer your day with their smiles and hospitality. Just simply visit Kinross. It is worth it. Loch Leven Nature Reserve offers a great day out for families, nature lovers and wildlife watchers. Stunningly beautiful and easily accessible, two of the most popular attractions are the Heritage Trail and Loch Leven Castle. Loch Leven Castle is a well-preserved ruin, securely located on a castle island in Loch Leven. This beauty is dating to the 12th century. Today's visitor approach Loch Leven Castle in the same way as William Wallace, Robert the Bruce or Mary Queen of Scots, by boat. What you see today is perhaps only half of the castle that originally stood here, yet is best remembered as Mary Queen of Scots' presence from the June 1567. Another place, called Kinross House, is a kinda colossal disappointment. Don't get me wrong, from above this place is stunning, but as it is one of the most lavish posh venues in Scotland, they made it almost impossible to see from a train. I can show you just a little bit, as it's hiding one of the gems here in Kinross, Fishing Gate. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and if I earn your subscription today, thank you.